Good evening. Today we are going to see one important website. It is very useful website. See, we draw flowcharts in Excel sheet, and even we try many ways to draw an flowcharts. But here we are having one website which is very useful and very comfortable to draw a flowchart. So just type there, open any browser and type there as draw.io and just give an enter. See, page opens like this, and here we have to insert the symbols to draw a flowchart. Suppose I want to draw one something. If you want to shorten this, just shorten it, and if you want to increase the length of this designs, just you have to click on this, and here you can see the box appears beside the design, and just if you want to increase the length you can increase, and if you want to shorten the length you can short it, and also if you want to draw a person, see here we drawn a person, and now I want to increase the height of a person, so I increase the height of person, and here we can see the um, here cross mark plus mark is there now. It is to connect one by one. See, suppose if you want to connect this way, so here also, and if you want to connect it, if it goes wrong means just delete that, and just orally I'm showing, that's why I'm not keeping concentration. uh, See, here we connected this drawing, and if you want to draw anything other, just click on the designs. Not only this, if you want another shapes, if you want to draw a doctor, just type there as doctor and enter. See here doctor symbols asking, and we can draw a doctor. These flowcharts are made in many companies, schools, for making a logos, and for making a chart like entire. See, we do the uh, mm, in Excel sheet. What we'll do? We'll give some diagrams. We'll give diagrams in Excel sheet, and we'll draw same way the flow charts, and same way here in these draw.io, we can easily find out many symbols in many apps, many websites. There will be not these many uh, things available. So here we can draw the entire things, and here you can give a note. Text option is there, just you can keep here text option, and there you can click like flow chart. I'm typing as flow chart, and now I want to increase the height, and I have increased the height, and here you can see. And if you want to connect means just cross mark. Connection, these cross marks will be used, and if you don't want, just delete it. And for coloring this, here we are having grid, page view, and here we are having coloring. If we give color option, this entire page color will be changed. And if you want to change color of this, just go for options. Here see, for coloring you can take this option, and you can give colors, and style, arrange. Here we can increase the size of the chart. Automatically we can directly increase over here. This way we can increase and decrease the sizes, and even we can make sure that it is in correct position or not. And if manually, if you it is not happening, you can even go for these options, right, left, size, increasing, decreasing, width, height, every option is there. And here position also you can check, left position, top position, angle, rotate shape only by 90-degree, horizontal and vertical directions are there, and snap to grid, group, copy size, everything is available over here. uh, and here if you want any other symbols, many symbols are there. Whatever symbols you want, you can just choose over here. This way you can give symbols, and advanced is there, MISC, basics, arrows, flow charts, NTAT relation, many, whatever you want you can take over there. And you can give colors, and here more shapes option is there. You can go for more shapes. If you want any heading, you want to give any heading, just apply, give heading over there. And if you want to delete any content, directly right click on it and you can delete. Otherwise here delete option is there, and font is there here, and here line color is there. Whatever color you want, you can choose that color and apply. And now I selected this, and I selected purple, that's why it has been appeared in purple color line. Fill color, blue, apply. And here we can background color, Background color I have kept white, and if you want some other color means you can just go for that color and apply. See, background color has been changed, and if you want to keep portrait or landscape you can change. Mm, and connection arrows are there. See, we can see connection arrows. This way we can change whatever shape you want, whatever size you want, whatever thing you want, you can change over that, and you can just apply it in this. This is general, and if you want to change any colors you can change over there. It is very useful. Flowchart is very useful for everyone. See, in Excel we get many troubles, everything based on formulas. But even it is very easy in Excel also. But some people found it very hard to draw any flowchart in Excel sheet. They found very hard. And here we are having the good website that easily can draw anything, whatever you want, you can draw over here. See, I did this thing, and here we can see file option is there. File, new, open from. You can open if you want to insert any pictures, any real picture. If you want to insert any picture, you can just browse and you can insert the picture. Open, recent, save. If you want to save this picture, this flowchart, just go to save. And if you want to save in some other formats, go to save as format. And if you want to share, just go to share option. And if you want to give rename, just give rename. And if you want to make a copy, just make a copy. Click on it. Import from. If you want to import any pictures, you can import from these all options. Browser, if you click on browser, it will open your computer device, and if any picture is there that if you want to insert your picture, just go to browser option and click on browser, and then your picture will appear and you can insert your picture over here. And import as, export as, export how you want to export, how you want to see, in PNG format, JPEG format, SVG format, PDF format, VSD, XBeta, HTML, XML, URL, advanced. Which format you want, you can export in these all formats. And embed, it's an image, SVG, HTML, in frame, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheet, every option is there here. And publish link, you have to click on link. If you are going to publish in Twitter, so you have to click on this link, and Twitter link will appear and you can publish over your Twitter app, or any other social media platform. And library, new library, here we are getting options. And open library from, whatever you want, you can open. Properties, you can change, you can see properties and you can change this. And page setup, and print, if you want to take this print, print option is there, just click on print, and then you can take print. And if you want to close, just close it. All changes will be lost. So I don't want to keep this thing, so I want to discard the changes, and I'll discard this entire thing. Save diagrams too. Here we can see save diagrams too, and I don't want anything now. Actually already I have did. So if you want to save diagrams to any device or OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, anything, you can do. If not, decide later. see my whatever flowchart I have did, it entire thing has been disappeared. So this way you can draw any flowchart. If you are a student, you are going to do any project, it is very useful to do project over here. You can draw every symbols taking from there. You can draw entire symbols, and you can draw in this. And even if you want any shapes, you can take these shapes. And if you want any arrows, you can take arrows. Everything you get over here, and you can draw as you wish. Whatever you are drawing, you are going to submit a project, you can just click on these all options, and you can just submit your project to your seniors. And uh, if in office, if any project is there, they may also do this project this way. And if they are doing any brochures, if they want to print any brochures, they even can do here. And if they want to add in text option will be there. And you can draw a text here. Text option is there. Just you can type entire thing, whatever you want to type. You can type entire thing over there. Suppose SSS. See here, you can type entire thing. And you can do whatever you want. You can access over here. And if I don't want this, just click on delete, and it will disappear. And here also many shapes, many styles, many diagrams, everything has been given over here. Background color, if you want to change, just click and select here background color. And you can give any color, and just select on any color and apply. Here background color has been changed. And shadow, if you want any shadow, just select over that, and click on that. And background change, here you can select width, height, drag image or URL here. And open, apply, everything is there over here. Whatever you want, you can do easily. And even you can edit data, and you can give over here. So this way you can add, delete, whatever you want, you can do entire things in this flowchart. So don't struggle much to do in to spend time and waste your time, and to spend time in some other things. Just go for this option. If you are facing any problem in Excel to insert and flowchart, to do a flowchart, just go easily for this option, and you can easily draw it, flowchart diagrams. Here file we have checked, and here edit option is there. Copy as image, paste, find, replace, edit data. Here edit options are came. And next we'll check for view. Format, Control Shift P, outline format, layers, tags, shapes, everything is there here. And arrange, insert, layout, and extras, language. If you want to add any language, you can select over here English or whatever language you want. Whatever available here, you just select that language, and go for that. Plugins, edit diagram, and extras, help. If you want any help regarding this, you can just go for that. And if you want to save directly, you can save over here. Just click on it, and it will be saved. Or else here also we are having save option. Just go and save, and you can save that entire thing, entire project. So hope this video is good, and if you found it good and somewhat informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.